Right, it's now time to start on the second part for our project. We're going to do the back this time, and we're going to start in the same way. We're going to do a new document, new part, and press OK. And you can see on the screen in the top right hand corner I've got the drawing for the back part. It's very similar to the front part, except the top and bottom are reversed in sense of the male and female parts of the finger joints. So you've got two long protruding legs at the bottom and three short protruding parts at the top. So I'm going to, exactly the same as before, left click on my front plane and press normal 2 to look at it. I'm going to click or right click again and press sketch. And now I'm sketching on that plane. And to start exactly the same way as before, I'm going to draw a rectangle. I'm going to use my smart dimension tool to set my size, and it should be the same size. You can see on the drawing there near the top, 150mm across and 65 high. So you can see a 60 and you can see a 5 on the drawing. That's important to look at. Please make sure you look at the drawing, any drawings you're using, thoroughly and carefully so that you get everything on there. So I've got that, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing I've done before really. I'm going to draw my two lines, and this is a little bit of an easier way than last time. I'll draw a line up here and then line tool off, line tool on, just to cancel it. There is a shortcut I think that will end it for you. I can't remember off the top of my head what it is. Is it escape? No. I'll try and find that one out for you. And now I'm going to draw my lines. Instead of using the offset entities tool, I'm just going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So there's 1. There's 2. There's 3. And you can see with all 3 lines so far, and the last one as well, I'm hovering over the top line until it goes orange. I click, I hover over the bottom line until it goes orange, and I click again. I'm now going to use my smart dimensions tool, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to smart dimension these 30mm apart. And this is just a different way of doing it. And you can see I've only done 4 of them, not 5. The reason for that is that if this is 30, plus that 30 makes 60, plus that 30 makes 90, plus that 30 makes 120, that has to be 30 to make 150. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to smart dimension my top part, and this will be 3, and then smart dimension my bottom part, which should be 8 again. I'm now going to use my trim entities tool like I done last time. Make sure it's on trim to closest on the left, and these bits in the middle I can just click on and they'll disappear. And I can do the same with the feet bit here, so I want to keep this bit and this bit are going, and the same with this bit here and this bit and this bit, and then I can get rid of that one and that one. And at the top here I want to keep this one, so I'm getting rid of this top one here, and that one, that one, that one, and that one. Have I done that right? No, I haven't. I've done that wrong. So Control Z is your friend here. That will just undo everything I've just done, which is handy, and I can try and do it right this time. So I'm getting rid of this one here, my mistake. You've got to pay close attention when you're following these drawings. Keep going. And there we go. Always take your time. So I've got that. We had the error saying that we're losing our dimensions, so I'm just going to put that total dimension back in from here to here, 65, green tick, done. So now I've got to do my side bits again. So I'll start off with my centre line. Centre point there, centre point there. I'll go with my rectangle tool. I'll draw my little rectangle. And my smart dimensions, so from the top here to that line there, it should be 20. And then this part here, 20. And then the thickness is 3. Oh, that's 30, that's a mistake. There we go. Always double check. Now I've got that, I can go to my mirror entities tool again. And I want to do this line, and this line. And mirror about, I want to mirror about this one here. And you can see it previewed on the right, exactly what I want. Happy days. I can now go back to my trim entities tool. Remember, I've got to click this one twice because there's 2 lines here. 1, 2, and this one only once. Oh. Now what you've got here is these have gone yellow. The reason these have gone yellow is because there's a conflicting measurement somewhere. So one of your measurements has gone wrong, or more to the point, you've got the same measurement twice somewhere. I suspect it's this one. There you go. Not overly sure why that happened, but sometimes that can happen. It's not saying anything wrong with your work, it's just saying you've got the same measurement twice somewhere for some reason. So that's that all done. We can now extrude this to 3mm. I can exit my sketch. I can press, make sure it's selected in the parts tree. Press extrude boss and base. Set the thickness to 3mm. And press the green tick. There we go. I'm now going to save that in the same folder as I saved my other part, and this is the back. And that's the back bit done. Good luck.